As early childhood educators, we shape the lives of young children every day. Our work sparks a child's curiosity and nurtures their development in the safe and caring spaces we create. Commitment and passion make all the difference in a child's learning journey, and starting with a solid foundation helps early educators make the most of every moment. The program uses an innovative instructional model called Explore, Practice, Apply, which allows a learner to uncover new understandings and scaffolds that knowledge into classroom practices.
I feel like coming into childcare could be a little intimidating to some people, but I think that being able to take this as you're coming in could really help you feel more relaxed. I'm not just kind of being thrown in and not knowing what to do.
They have given a scenario where we have to answer the question. Sometimes those scenarios are similar to ones that we experience in our class.
For me, my class was very helpful because I could just do it there at my work. I didn't have to go anywhere else. I could just go in around the corner and be on the computer. And it was nice because it was fresh in my brain too. So when I was just working with kids, I'll go in there, do some work, and I'd be like, oh, I just did that scenario. And so then it made the classwork so much easier.
Being able to go into the classroom and actually experience it more and being able to do it hands-on and stuff makes me understand it better.
You're exploring how things work with your cooperative teacher in their classroom, and then you go into that practice where you're kind of working side by side. I was able to take all of the things that I knew in my position as a lead teacher and pour into someone who was brand new and maybe didn't have that information or wasn't quite as experienced as I am. And it was really great.
What stands out the most for me is having that support system behind you, and whenever you were slacking, they were there to make sure that you were okay.
Once you have those skills, then you get to move into the apply and look at how far I've come.
It makes me more confident into what I'm actually doing, because I feel if you're not confident in what you're doing, I don't think that really benefits the kids.
The impact of the CSP program on my career as the cooperative teacher, as a lead teacher, it definitely helped to hone my leadership skills. I think without this program, I would have doubted a little bit more moving into the role of a school leader. I think that this program can impact not just my center, but the entirety of early childhood education as a whole, because it gives staying power.
Doing the CSP program helped me enrich my job. Now that I'm no longer a CSP, I stepped up and I'm now the lead teacher of preschool.
You don't realize how much of an impact you have on them until you watch them grow from being this big to this big. And it's I never thought that I could have that much of an impact on the children's lives just by being there and by working with them. But it really did show me that. And I was like, oh, this is kind of cool. I couldn't imagine doing anything else. And this program definitely opened my eyes to something I didn't even think that I would be able to love as much as I did.